Welcome to Fun with Nawab.
Quiz for kids.
Find the shape of a star. Find the number 4. Which baby is feeling sad? Find the color pink. Find the vehicle used on farms. Tractor. Find the animal with long neck. Giraffe. Find the animal that have horn. Deer. Find the alphabet N. Find the herbivores. Elephant. Deer. Find the vehicles with 2 wheels. Find the carnivores. Lion. Cheetah. Which fruit tastes sour? Things that can be found on your school bag. Find the non-living things. Find the yellow color fruit. Banana. Find the white color vegetable. Garlic. Name the picture. Guess the first letter. Banana. Name the animal. Guess the first letter. Pig. Find the odd one out. Which one begins with letter P? Parrot. Find the color of the pencil on the left side. Pink. Find the number 1. 1. Find the rhyming words of fog, dog, log. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. What is the first letter of the word? Strawberry. Find the missing number. 4. How many yellow squares are there? 3. Find the odd one out. Donut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more educational videos.